My name's Marty and welcome to this instructional video series on building your own STH style guitar kit from Guitar Kit World. In the following video, I'm going to show you how I put together this guitar, including all aspects of the build from finishing, installing hardware, connecting up the electronics, and then performing a final setup at the end just to ensure the guitar plays great. So, if you've never put together a kit guitar yourself before or are concerned you don't have any specialist tools, don't worry. I'm not a luthier myself or even that particularly handy. But just about anyone can put together a guitar like this with some basic tools and just a little bit of patience. Okay, so the guitar we're working on today is an STH style guitar kit. As you can see, it's a semi-hollow body guitar. We've got a mahogany body, maple neck, and engineered ebony fretboard with mother of pearl dot inlays. We've got two soap bar style P90 pickups, tune-o-matic bridge, and a floating Jazzmaster style tremolo system. We've got a 3-way selector switch, one volume and one tone. Okay, so from here I'm going to roll the video back to the very start and we'll begin the job by inspecting the body for any marks or scratches.